Hi guys, I am sorry to interrupt. I was like talking to a person, then he started yapping. So yeah. Stop the cab! Stop the cab!
Turn on your computer. Turn on your computer.
Right.
Let me hear it, gang. Let me hear it, gang. Let me hear
Because
your
it's
keyboard
far
in your
away
mouse.
because I have connection.
Let me hear your keyboard on your mouse. Let me hear your keyboard in your mouse if you have a computer. Let me hear the keyboard in your mouse.
Wait, so much people.
On you.
You don't have a computer! You're a liar!
No, you liar!
You're a liar!
No, you
You
lying!
don't own a
He
computer!
lying! He lying!
What do you want to say for the video? What do you want to say for the video? What do you want to say for the video?
You said you own a computer.
Nah, what
but you
do you
don't.
want to
said you
say
own a
for the
computer.
video? Nah, what do you want to say for the video?
Oh my god, bro, how much subscribers you got? How much subscribers you got?
Oh, I didn't want to tell you my.
Guys, you better second here. Guys, you better second
I
here.
have more subscribers than you, bro.
Just lie. Don't believe it. What you guys do?
Alright, let's go.
Time.
Let's go.
Lie.
Oh my god,
guys.
I'm a fucking bum. I don't spend all
Show me green.
Alright.
Hey guys, let's go to Maze. Let's go to Maze.
Oh heck nah,
Let's
he's
go to
stuck.
Maze.
Siren Head's stuck. Bug. He's bugged. You're stuck. You're gonna.
Help me. Oh, there we go. Okay, Maze.
No, do not go to Maeve. Siren Head is stuck. Stupid. You stupid.
The driver gonna drop you off. Aight, it's warm. The waterfall's crazy.
Copyrighted.
This is copyrighted.
Hey, what's up?
Bro, let's go to
Back rooms.
bro,
Blur.
let's go to
Blur.
let-
Blur.
what?
Blur.
It's
Blur. Bro, why you didn't went to Blur?
Blur's boring.
Alright, fine. Let's go to back rooms. Let's go to back rooms.
Background's boring.
Come on, let's go.
Harder. Let's go to this one. No, let's go to this one. Let's go.
What the fuck?
No, actually, leave.
No. What the fuck?
Wait, let's go to this one.
Yeah.
No, wrong one.
What the?
Where do you want to go next?
What
Go back
was
to the
that?
back or not?
No, English are stuck. Bro, English are spamming, bro. No. Beat him up, will you have a chance?
Now do the Becky dance. Now do the Becky dance. Now do the.
Holy crap! Holy crap!
You can get banned from that one.
Guys!
What the heck?
What the Sigma did I saw?
Bro, no, let's try this one.
I died! Let's go to D! Let's go to D! Let's go to D. You go, I will
you
go.
go.
No, I will go. I will go for real, I will go.
No, yeah, you go.
No, I will go. No, for real, I will go. No, go.
No, you go.
No, you go. Oh, wait. I will go for real. I'm not even capping. Alright.
Go.
Go! Come on. I'm waiting.
Go.
No, actually, I'm going. Alright, let's go.
No, you go. I don't believe you.
Okay, there. Right.
This is the scariest one.
We need to run.
No.
Right, which one?
That one.
This one again?
This one.
I'm up. I'm on top.
Wait, just to prove him under his monster.
Oof. He's right here! Alright, you're good. No way. Nah.
Let's go to Devil Town.
Dude, I go to the back rooms.
Let's go. Devil Town.
You wanna go to the back rooms? Nah, I'm not. Nah, hell no. You got good phone? Oh, hell no.
No, I'm leaving.
Bye.